first lovely fans here that have come to see
New
Elk in action. It's good to see you come down for Into the Nebula event. I just wanted to ask a couple of questions and see why you came down today and whether you're an ROG fan or what you know about it.
Yeah, definitely a fan of ROG for a long time now.
Do you use some of the machines to play your gaming on?
Yes, so I had a Zephyrus Duo. I am currently using a Strix AE Advantage Edition.
And did you like some of the machines that are on display today?
Every one of them.
Steph, can I ask you a question?
Yes.
How are you finding it playing it on this machine?
It's really smooth.
It is? That's the way. So, I got a spot question for you.
Yeah.
ROG, the brand, what's the tagline? Do you know the tagline for a prize?
Alright, you have to excuse me for a bit. I think I knew it, but I forgot ROG. For those who dare.
Yeah.